All right. 12th problem. See, write down the everyone. 12th problem. Note down. So, what is the 12th problem? Is the 12th problem is I am going to start the 12th problem. So, A plus AR plus AR square plus dotted plus A all power of n minus 1 is equal to right side answer already given. That is the correct. It is in the sum of the n terms. Sum of the n terms of GP series already you know the formula A into R to the power of n R to the power of n minus 1 by R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. This is the given sum of the n terms of the GP series is the correct formula. Just we are checking left hand side and the right hand side. We are getting the correct answers or not. We are going to check just verification. We are going to do right. Everyone see. So 12th problem. What I am writing is the problem is the correct now. First one. Right. You can go through the problem. Everyone. Step one. First, write down the principle of step one. What's the problem? Go through the step one, everyone. Step one, principle of n numbers, write down. Principle of n numbers, right? Step one, write down, everyone. So if for n is equal to 1, for n is equal to 1, then left hand side is equal to principle of one number. What is that? One number is the only A. Right hand side, substitute n is equal to 1. A. R power of 1 is the R only by R minus 1. Both are cancelled. Its value is A. LHS is equal to RHS. Principle of one number is true. Right. Everyone, step one is completed. Step one is completed. Right. No system required. So, right. Everyone, small internet problem is indicating. All right. Everyone, go through the step two. Everyone, go through the step two. Step two is, everyone go through the step two. Assume that principle of k numbers. Assume that not only one number, two number, three number, four number. So principle, assume that P of k is true. Principle of k numbers is true. Right, immediately principle of k numbers write down. P of k, principle of k number statement is AR square dotted plus AR power of n minus AR power of k minus 1 is equal to right side is AR power of k minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is the kth term. This is the kth term. Round up and you can be keep in our mind. This is the kth term. So step 3, write down, everyone. Step 3 is for k is equal to k plus 1. K plus, write down the k plus 1. Principle of k plus 1 numbers such that okay, now what are the k plus 1 numbers? Is the first number A, second number is the AR, third number is the AR square, and dotted. First number is the A, second, first two numbers is the AR, three numbers is the AR square, dotted. So k plus 1 terms is the A into R power of k place, write down the k plus 1. Already we have minus 1 is equal to A. R power of k place, write down the k plus 1 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. Principle of k plus 1 numbers such that first number is the A, first two numbers is the AR, first three numbers is the AR square, up to it's before the this is the a r power of k is equal to a r power of k plus 1 minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is the put in the box. This is the k plus 1th term. K plus 1th term. It's before is kth term. This one write down. It's before is the kth term. This is a copy here. This is the copy here. Okay, na? Everyone copy. I am going to write here is p of k plus 1. I am going to write here. Everyone see p of k plus 1. Statement I have read right. P of k plus 1 such that AR square. So AR before it's before either this one copy AR power of k minus 1 and this is right down AR power of k. It's before this should be k the term should be copy here. So this is copy here and write down this term is equal to right side what is the given in a into r power of k plus 1 minus 1 upon r minus 1. Okay, now up to the AR square up to this one is the k terms. This is the k plus 1th term. So this place is I am going to take left hand side and then I will prove the right hand side answer. Keep in our mind this is required. This answer is required. Now I am taking the left hand side. Everyone see the left hand side. So left hand side is AR square dotted up to AR power of k minus 1 k plus AR power of k. Up to this part is principle of k numbers. Principle of k numbers. So P of k, principle of k numbers plus A r power of k. Principle of k numbers value right now. Its value is A r power of k minus 1 by r minus 1 plus A r power of k. Okay, now principle of right side is that A r power of k minus 1. Now simplify, we get the same answer, different answer, check. So first A is common, take A is take common in both. A is common, r power of k minus 1 by r minus 1 plus r power of k. Now take LCM and simplify. We get the same answer or not, we can check. A r power of k minus 1 plus r power of k into r minus 1 by the LCM by r minus 1. R power of k distribute. This is distribute for r and this is distribute for minus 1 also. A r power of k minus 1 plus r power of k into r. R power of k is distribute for r minus r power of k into 1 is r power of k upon r minus 1. R power of k is cancelled. Bases are equal. The R bases are equal. Power should be add. A into here I am writing. So A into R power of bases are R k plus 1 and minus 1 upon R minus 1. That is the RHS. Now write down the LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Write down the everyone by the principle of mathematical induction. It is true for all. Small n belongs to capital N. By the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is true. The given problem is true. Problem is true for small n belongs to capital N. Right, everyone clear this problem is? Can I go? Already I mentioned. So 15th, 16th, 17th, and it's clear, sir. Right. It's clear, everyone. Right. Everyone go through the. So already I tell that 16, 17 is the homework, same models I will tell. 15 also no, today. 15 also it can be put as a, 15 I will explain. 15 I will, 13th, explain Amrish. And I go through the 13. So 13, 14, before we explain the 15th problem, after then I go through the 13 and 14. So total up to 17 problems is completed. You should be remember 16, 17 is the homework. Already yesterday I tell that 16, 17 is the homework. Okay, na? Everyone should be complete. Compulsory will give from 16, 17. Compulsory will give. Okay, na? Right, fifth to write down everyone 15th problem. After then I go through the 13 and 14. First to write down the 15th problem, everyone. 15th problem. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square dotted plus 2n minus 1 square, 2n minus 1 square is equal to n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 3. Right, fast everyone do. Step 1 complete first. Everyone complete this step 1. First step 1, everyone complete this step 1 fast. First step 1 complete. So 15th problem, I am writing this step 1. Step 1 is the principle of n numbers is given. First number, first two numbers, 1 square plus 3 square. First three numbers, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, up to n numbers. Okay, na? Principle of n numbers. Sum of the principle of n numbers means sum of the n numbers. Right. 1. N is equal to 1. Left hand side is principle of one number, 1 square, its value is 1. Right hand side is n place is the 1, 2 into 1 minus 1. Next 2 times of n place is the 1 plus 1 upon 3. Right, everyone simplify. 1, 2 times of 1 is the 2 minus 1. 2 times of 1 is the 2 plus 1 upon 3. 3 cancel. 2 minus 1 is the 1. Total value is the 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, P of one number is true. P of one number is true. Write down the everyone step 2. Step 2. Assume that principle of n numbers, k numbers is true. K is the one of the number. Principle of k numbers is true. Write down principle of k numbers means sum of the k numbers. One number square. First two numbers square. 1 square, 3 square. First three numbers square. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square. Up to k numbers square is 2k minus 1 square. So is equal to right side is the k. 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 by, so 3 This is the sum P of k value. Right side is the this one P of k value. This is keep in our mind kth term. This should be write down before of k plus 1. This should be write down before of k plus 1. This should be write down before of k plus 1. Okay, now before of k plus 1. Now write down this step 3. Step 3. For k is equal to k plus 1 numbers, P of the principal of k numbers, sum write down the 1 number square, first 2 numbers square, first 3 numbers square, and dotted is 2k place is the k plus 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to k place is the k plus 1, 2 times of k place is the k plus 1 minus 1 into 2 times of k place is the k plus 1 or plus 1 upon 3. Right, simplify and write down everyone. Simplify and write down first. P of k plus 1 numbers. Sum of the k plus 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square dotted plus 2k plus 2 minus 1. This is the 2k plus 2 minus 1 is the plus 1 whole square. Okay, now right is equal to right side is the k plus 1. 2k plus 2 minus 1 is the 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1. This is the 2k plus 2 plus 1 is the 2k plus 3. 2k plus 3 upon 3. Upon 3, right? So take left hand side before, write down, I am writing upside. Everyone see upside I am writing. P of k plus 1 upside I am writing. Right. P of k plus 1. One number square, first 2 numbers squares, first 3 numbers square dotted. This is the k plus 1th number. K plus 1th number. Write down this number is the before 2k minus 1 square plus 2k plus 1 square. 2k plus 1 square is equal to right side is the k plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3 upon 3. This is round up. We have to prove this one. Take left hand side. Take left hand side. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square dotted 2k minus 1 square plus 2k plus 1 square. Up to this part is, see everyone, up to this part is P of k. Up to this part is, everyone see, 1 square, 3 square and 2k minus 1 square. This is the P of k. Its value is this one. You should be remembered. This is the, up to this part is the P of k. Principal of k number 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 2k minus 1 square is the P of k statement. Its answer is this one. This answer is this one. You should be remembered. P of k plus 2k plus 1 whole square. P of k value right side is there. Write down k into 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 upon 3 plus 2k plus 1 whole square. Right, take common and simplify. You get the same answer or not. Circle answer you can observe. So same answer or not, we can observe right hand side. You are getting the same answer or not. First, so we take common is 2k plus 1 is common. So what is the remaining is here k into 2k minus 1 upon 3. Here is 2k plus 1 Out of 2 times repeating, 1 time is go outside, 1 time is the remaining. Take LCM and simplify. 2k plus 1 k into 2k minus 1 by the LCM plus 3 into 2k plus 1 upon 3. Right, everyone write down. Everyone write down. This is equal to 2k plus 1. Now k distribute. 2k into k is the 2k square. K into minus 1 is the k. 3 distribute. 3 into 2k is the 6k. 3 into 1 is the 3 upon 3. Write on. This is 2k plus 1. 2k square plus 5k plus 3 upon 3. How I am writing the factors is C. So 2k plus 1. First one is the 2k square. That's why 5k write down 2k plus 3k for taking the common. So 5k write down 2k k square. That's why 2k. Sir, please repeat the last 4 steps. What is the last? These are 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 steps are right. This is the take 2k plus 1 is common. Here is the 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 is common. Yes, sir. 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 is common. 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 is common. I will take 2k plus 1. Here is the k. 2k minus 1 by 3. Here out of 2, 1 is common, 1 is the remaining 2k plus 1. I am taking the LCM. LCM is the cross multiplication. K into 2k minus 1, 3 into 2k plus 1 by 3. Okay, na? K multiply 2k into 2k, 2k square. K into minus 1 is the minus k. 3 multiply 3 into 2k, 6k. 3 into plus 1 is the plus 3. Okay, na? So this is 6k minus k is the 5k plus 3. Okay, na? So now it is clear, Amrish? Right. So this is C. This is the 2k square, na? This is the 2k square, na? This is the 5k. I am writing before is the 2k square. That's why 5k I am writing 2k plus 3k. 5k I am writing because the first one is the 2k square. That's why 2k plus 3k. Right now, first one is the k square. Then write down k plus 4k square. Depending upon first one, right? So 2k square, 2k plus 3k plus 3. In these two take common upon 3. In these two take common. So 2k plus 1. Here is 2k is common in these two. 2k is common. Here is the k plus 1. In these two, 3 is common. Here is the k plus 1. Upon 3, k plus 1 take outside. So 2k plus 1, k plus 1 take common. What is the remaining is 2k plus 3 upon 3. Right, same RHSC. So k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 upon 3. Same RHS. We get the RHS. Now write down LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. First it should be complete. Everyone complete fast. Completed, sir. Right. Completed, sir. Very good. Very good. Amrish, very good. Go through the 13th problem, everyone. Now go through the 13th problem. Everyone now go to the 13th problem. Everyone go through the 13th problem. Now write down the 13th problem, everyone. What is the 13th problem is? See everyone, 13th problem. First bracket, first bracket is the 1 plus 3 by 1. Second bracket is the multiplication symbol. Second bracket is the multiplication symbol. 1 plus 5 by 4. Third bracket also multiplication. 1 plus 7 by 9. Dotted. These type of the brackets. Last bracket is 1 plus 2n plus 1 by n square. Right side answer is n plus 1 whole square. N plus 1 whole square. Right. Everyone observe. Before problem is the plus. But here not a plus. Observe. Here is the multiplication. First multiplication into second multiplication. First bracket into second bracket. Here is not a plus. Before problems all are plus. Before problems all are is the plus. But here is the all are the first bracket into second bracket into third bracket. So here is the multiplications. Here is the brackets multiplication. But before problem is the only plus. Difference is understand everyone? Right, go through the same procedure. Procedure is the same. Write down the step 1. Principle of n number, step 1, write down. Same for n is equal to 1. Left hand side is the first bracket. 1 plus 3 by 1. That is the 1 plus 3. That is equal to 4. Right side write down. N place is the 1. 1 plus 1 square. That is a 2 square. That is equal to 4. Now write down. LHS is equal to RHS. Principle of 1 is true. Therefore, principle of 1 is true. Principle of 1 is true. Right. Same. Step 2. Same. Write down the step 2. Principle of assume that yes, P of K is true. Now write down in bracket of multiplications. Write down. First bracket P of K. Multiplication bracket 1 plus 3 by 1 into second bracket 1 plus 5 by 4 into third bracket 1 plus 7 by 9 dot the nth bracket 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square. All right. So now open. Mood is open. All are clear, sir. Right. Now go through the. Now go through the. Now go through everyone. This is the kth number. You should be remember. This is the write down before of k plus 1th number. Just copied. Next, step 3, write down everyone. Step 3, for k place is write down k plus 1. So P of k plus 1 numbers. First bracket 1 plus 3 by 1. Second bracket 1 plus 5 by 4. Third bracket 1 plus 7 by 9. Dotted, dotted. 1 plus 2 times of k plus 1 plus 1 upon k square bracket close is equal to k plus 1 plus 1 whole square. Right. Simplify everyone. So P of k plus 1 is statement is equal to 1 plus 3 by 1. Second bracket 1 plus 5 by 4 into third bracket 1 plus 7 by 9. Dotted, dotted, dotted. Simplify 1 plus 2k plus 2 plus 1 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 square, sorry, k plus 1 square by k plus 1 square bracket is equal to k plus 2 square is equal to k plus 2 square. This is the k plus 1th term. This is the k plus 1. Okay, na? It's before write out this bracket. This is the copy, it's before. Okay, na? Right. I'm writing here. Right, see everyone. So here I am writing P of k plus 1 such that first bracket, second bracket, third bracket, dotted, dotted. This term copy here. 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square into k plus 1 numbers. Is k plus 1 to number right now? 1 plus 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square is equal to k plus 2 whole square. Take left hand side. This answer we are going to prove. Take left hand side. Left hand side is first bracket into second bracket into third bracket dotted, dotted, kth bracket 2k plus 1 by k square. This is the kth bracket into k plus 1th bracket 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 square is equal to now up to this is, see everyone, up to this is the P of k bracket. Up to kth term is the P of k bracket. So P of k into k plus 1 term 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 square. Right, everyone see this P of k value is the k plus 1 whole square. P of k bracket place write down k plus 1 whole square. K plus 1 whole square and simplify. K plus 1 whole square into 1 plus 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square. Right, everyone. So now multiply this one to the 1 and also this one also. So k plus 1 whole square into 1 is the same. K plus 1 whole square into 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square. K plus 1 whole square is cancelled. Write down k square plus 2k plus b whole square formula plus 2k plus b square is the 1 plus 2k plus 3. So k square plus 4k plus 4 This is the k plus 2 whole square. That is the same RHS. Now write down LHS.